Hello, my name's FLORRIE White. I'm a makeup artist and I'm also the Clinique UK colour artist.
Hi, I'm Sabrina and I'm the beauty blogger behind A Little Obsessed.
So Sabrina, I've seen from one of your blogs that you love contouring. Is it something that you just recently picked up because of the trend, or is it something you've always been aware of?
I think I've been doing it for quite a while, but I feel that now I kind of contour a little bit more.
I'm going to show you how I contour, and I'm also going to use two new products from Clinique. The Clinique Chubby Stick in Curvy Contour and Hefty Highlight. So I've evened out your base now, and I'm going to use the Chubby Stick in Curvy Contour to really start creating this sort of dynamic shadows. You suck your cheeks in, and here you will see you're naturally guided by your bone structure. So, following the hollow, you can feel where the product should be applied under the bone. So I've added the first contour. So I'm going to use the other new Chubby Cheek Hefty Highlight. Just sweep it up to the temple, being guided by your bone structure, and then just blend simply with your fingers. Just adding a little bit of warmth in the forehead and the hairline. I'm going to blend that in. It's sort of blended together via the highlight. And then under the earlobe, following your jawline. Blend the product down towards the chin so it's like a fading shadow. I like to enhance this by doing a little bit of the Hefty highlighter above the jawline. Following the straight line of your nose. That is going to sort of reflect, and then without blending it in yet, just to show you, I'm going to follow the bone. So again, blending away. You can see where the nostrils are here, use them as your guideline. And again, blend. And so finally, following the button of the chin, blending it in. Really love how the highlights have given you a real dewy glow.
Yeah, I'm surprised that two products can do so much. Really impressed.
Great.